Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to make passive income online by designing Shopify themes? In this video, I will walk you through how to create and sell your own Shopify templates even if you are a beginner in 2025. Let's get into it. A Shopify theme controls show a store looks, layout, fonts, colors, and overall design. Store owners want clean, fast, mobile-friendly then themes that help boost sales. You can create themes using HTML, CSS, Liquid, Shopify's templating language, and some JavaScript. Here's how to get started. Install Shopify CLI, a command line tool to develop themes. Create a partner account on at partners.shopify.com and create a development store. This is where you will build a test your theme. Use a code editor like VS Code for editing your files. Use Shopify Down theme as a base if you are just starting. It's open source and beginner friendly. Start editing these key files from your themes editor. Go to themes, then choose themes from here, then customize. Click the three dot icon, then edit code. Like this theme, Liquid. Section for customizable areas, snippets for reusable components, assets for images, CSS, and JavaScript. Focus on responsive design, speed optimization, and unique layouts. Test your theme using the Shopify CLI preview. And make sure it works well on both mobile and desktop. Add sections like banners, testimonials, and product sliders. Store owners love that. There are two main ways to sell your theme. First of all, Shopify theme store. Submit your theme through your partner dashboard. It must pass strict quality and performance reviews. Sell on your own or other platforms. Use Gumroad, Theme Forest, or your own Shopify store. You set the price and keep more profit. Make a great demo store. Create a preview video and include full documentation for buyers. Want to stand out? Here's what works in 2025. Niche focused themes like fashion, beauty, tech, mobile first design, fast loading speed, clean minimalist UI, offer lifetime updates to support to build trust, and don't forget to market your theme on Reddit, Twitter, Facebook groups, and YouTube. That's it. Now you know how to build and sell Shopify themes as a beginner. If you want a full development tutorial, drop a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.